Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see about meta element. Meta tag is written in head tag of HTML document. It is used for many purposes but mostly used for providing information of page to search engines. Let's see uses of meta element. First let's see description value. You can use the meta element to embed information in the head of your page that the search engine will use to display a description of your site. So this is the syntax of meta element to give description to page. We have to supply description value to name and we can write content or description of page in the content attribute. Now let's see keyword value. You can use the meta element to embed information in the head of your page that search engine will use for keyword when people are searching for your site. So this is the syntax for how to provide keywords to meta element. We have to specify keyword value to name attribute and content is equal to various keyword like company name, country, state, industry and about keywords of page. Now let's see author. You can embed author's name in meta element by this particular syntax. Name is equal to author and content is equal to author name. We can also specify information about company. So when user search about company on the search engine, so quickly can get output about our page. So this is the syntax for giving company name in meta tag. We can also provide copyrights to our page. So this is the syntax how to provide copyright. We have to give value copyright to name attribute. So this is all about meta tag, how we can use it and how search engines are utilize meta tag to extract the information from page. Thank you.